Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is EkazNAR, and in today's video, I will talk to you about how you can build a plugin for WordPress using ChatGPT. And in this video, I will show you two examples of how you will write the code and how you can put it in your WordPress and use it. So from that, you will get an idea of how to build a plugin according to your requirement, whatever you need to use in WordPress. If you want to add some settings as additional, then you can do that. So let's go to ChatGPT and let's build the plugin there. So here I have come to the chat of ChatGPT. Look here, see its URL chat.openai.chat. Okay. You must watch the previous video, in that I have told you all the things that how you can use it. So let's build a plugin as well. And I have put the prompt etc. for it here, that how do you want to create a custom WordPress plugin called Bikasnera, which means the name of your plugin should be this. You can keep any name of your choice here, that is, add a news article custom post type that will be organized by topic. So after writing this, I have sent it. So what will this plugin do? Like, here we have our dashboard. So here, the post one is coming. So what will it do here? Another article one will come, so you can add your article separately there, topic-wise. So this is the plugin for it. See here, Bikas is not there, and whatever you want to put here, it builds the plugin for itself with the same method. Okay, many times, there is a problem with this that it does not write the entire code. So if you are facing a little problem with the code, then you will have to clear the conversation from here and type it again. Only then will it write the code correctly, otherwise, it does not write it completely. So, this is its problem too. This thing is that whatever new version comes, this problem will get out. This is the 15th version, it was given here. As I check its version, the last version of it was updated to a video, okay? That's the code that is being written here now. So, you see, it does not write completely. Look here, it has not written the complete code here, so what you have to do is clear the conversion and then reload it. And again, you type the same and also click send. Because there is a lot of traffic on this site right now, so due to the same reason, it is not taking so much load, so it is not writing the complete code, so you can use it again. So, when I told it here for the second time that you write it again because spell. The first time he did it, he did not write the complete code, so what happened the second time also, that he left the code here. So, that I said, please write complete code, so what he did then is that look, he wrote the entire code in one go. What he did this time, that he did not write the interaction, that is, the description, etc. So, I said, write only the code, so he said, this time I have written the entire code and given it to me. Okay. So, let us use this code and give you some instruction here. Let us see that you have to create a folder with this name, so let us create it here. What did I paste here? I created a Bikasnera folder. After that, here you will see with the name bikasnera.php. I have to create a file, okay, so I will create a notepad in a notepad place, and in that, I will create a file of bikasnera.php here. I have to click on yes on it. And I do this edit, okay, and I copied this entire code and pasted it here. One second, okay, below is my code, here it is, please write complete code. So what in this, my complete code has come, so I will do this, copy. and here I have done it, paste and save it. If you try it like this, I have placed the code here in the middle. After this, if you write something like this, then this is the complete code. If it is written, then I will do this, save it, close it, come here, and you have to come here in the sidebar and plugins. As soon as you are in plugins, there is add new on top. You have to click on add new and click on upload plugin, then something like this will appear, then you have to click on choose file, then it is yours to download. So, what should you do with this? First, make it a zip, which is your folder, and then convert it into a zip. So, this zip file is ready. So let me select it, click on it, open it. I clicked on install it. Okay, you have to click on activate. So, as soon as you activate it, your plugin will be activated here. Look here, the plugin is activated, and I will also show you below where my plugin is. Look, the plugin that was named Abikas Narag is this, and my version is 1.0. Okay, let's come here now. I will reload it, and if you look at the sidebar now, look here, the news article option has appeared. Okay, so from here, you can add articles, etc. As soon as I click on add new, now I can add articles, etc. here, okay. Just like I will show you again, look here, the news one is coming right now, okay. As soon as I deactivate it, the plugin, I deactivated it, and from here, then that news item of yours will be removed because I had done it in the same plan. Okay, I will delete it now. So, in this video, I wanted to tell you how you can build WordPress minute by minute. There are problems in it. Definitely, but if you know programming skills, then you can do your own customization, and when it generates, then you can also get an idea whether it is done it correctly or not. You must watch the last video in which I told the basics about ChatGPT, so you must watch that too. If you have not subscribed to my video channel till now, then please subscribe to my video channel and watch the video.